Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here to share my Z Fold folio journal. She's lovely. I'm really pleased with that. So she's a hybrid between a folio album and a journal. So 3 inches in, across the spine, because there's 2 spines. In total 3 inches, so she's quite large, but she's really lovely. And 8 1/4 by 5. Okay, nice size. Now there is a full cutting guide for this if you want to follow along, and I've also have done several tutorials for the construction. Okay, so what you'd do is you'd go over to my Ko-fi, the link's in the description below, download the cutting guide which has all of the measurements and cutting and scoring, and then follow along with the tutorials. Okay, I'll be releasing them a couple a day until they're all out, and then they will all be saved. They will all be on a playlist. Alright, so let's show you this. So you can quite easily make this. I have used the Victorian Ladies and the Vintage Seamstress kit. I'll leave the link for those below, but you can use whatever you want. All I've used in this project is those two, printables from those 2 kits, a few from like coffee dyed pages, printables and black cardstock. So you can totally and utterly make this. I've not used any fancy techniques or any thing that you can't get hold of, basically. So anybody can make this. So the front cover here has got this window pocket with a large journaling card in. Beautiful paper underneath as well. So it's an acetate window. Okay, I'll show you how to do everything I'll show you how to do in the tutorials step by step. Okay, so inside the first cover we've got a double stacked pocket with some lovely guest checks and bits of ephemera just attached on. Then we've got some lovely tags here, all in the kits. Beautiful. And then here we've got a slanted pocket, okay, filled with ephemera and some little embellishments on that tag. I've got a video on how to make those. Okay, and then the slanted pocket here we've done, I've cut part of the image of the paper and backed it on black cardstock so it stands out beautifully. Okay, and that's an envelope, that's also in the kit. So absolutely all the images that you see are in my part of my kit. So I've not used anything else. Okay. So then this opens like so. Alright. And we've got this flip with a short pocket. Beautiful. It's some cards and ephemera in. Okay. Then that flips open. And we have a reverse waterfall which shows off images from the kits beautifully. Okay, absolutely stunning. So that's a reverse waterfall. So there's a tutorial on how to do that as well. So watch for that. Then the centre part has a 56-page journal insert. Okay, using printables and bits and bobs. And I've left them all plain. I've sewn all the pages, I've distressed them, and then they are attached via the Midori style, the elastic binding system. Okay, beautiful. So there's loads and loads of journaling, but all of the embellishments and the tags and everything are in the interactive parts. Okay, and that's the beauty of this, because then this is free to totally and utterly just journal on. Alright, so then we've got another pocket here with some more ephemera from the kit, some guest checks with some little bits and bobs just clipped to them, just to add a little bit of interest. And then, so that goes back in there like so. And then that flips open. We've got another pocket on the back filled with ephemera. I won't take them all out. Then here we've got just a simple belly band, but the papers just make it just amazing. They're just beautiful. And then we've got these large bingo cards which are for journaling, or you can put photos on them. Absolutely stunning. And then I've just stuck one of the butterflies on from the kit. Okay, and then it turns over again and we've got an envelope here. Okay, so that all unfastens and you've got a full envelope in there. Okay, I haven't put anything in there because I've left it free for whoever gets this journal to fill it with their own things. This will be for sale if you're interested. Go and have a look. Either contact me directly or go and have a look on my Ko-fi, because that's where it will go up for sale. So then here we've got a pocket with some more ephemera. Beautiful, lovely butterfly hanging off the edge there. A collection of ephemera goes in there. Okay, so that closes like so, and then you can turn it over. Okay, down the side with the elastics, I've added some, these are vintage buttons that somebody gifted me, and then mother of pearl buttons on the elastics. Okay, so that's the back side. So let's just go back to the front. Okay, and then you go that way. Do you? Which way do you go? Can't remember. Alright, okay. So turn it over, that's the back. I couldn't remember my own journal then. You've got a pocket on the back, like so, okay. And then the journal repeats itself. So we've got double pockets with ephemera there. We've got another slanted pocket here. And again, I've done this where you cut part of the... So this is a full sheet of paper, and I've cut around one of the images and then trimmed it carefully, and then I've backed the back of the paper with some black cardstock, so it looks like it's part of the pocket, but it's actually a bit of a cut and shut. It just you've just got to think what you're doing. And then here we've got some more of my little journal charms. I've got a video on how I made those using sellotape to laminate them with. So then this turns over, again we've got this short pocket, which is lovely, and the idea of that and the fact that the cards extend is to hold the waterfall element closed, so nothing's flapping about when you're travelling through the book. So that opens, and again we've got a second reverse waterfall. Beautiful, look at those lovely papers. They're absolutely stunning. I'm a little bit biased because I've made them, but they are beautiful. I'm quite proud of my digital work. So then we've got another journaling signature there. 50. I think this one's got 54 pages. I think it's slightly less than the other for some reason. I think I missed one off. And then here we've got another pocket, and I've added a little tuck there. We've got another tag with another little dangle charm on. Okay. And then it flips that way again. You've got a pocket there, belly band again with just a journaling card or photo mat, but you can put other things in there. There is room, because it's quite a flexible cover. It's not a stiff cardstock, not cardstock, what's the word? Chipboard cover. There's room for it to breathe and room for it to move. So it's quite flexible, so you're not restricted, okay? But at the same time, it's still sturdy. We've got another envelope. I won't open it because it's just the same, and then another back pocket with another lot of ephemera. So there you go. So it's a lovely Z folio. Okay, it's absolutely stunning. It's made just out of 125 GSM cardstock, but the way it's designed makes it sturdy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. If you would like to purchase it, contact me directly. My email's in the description box below. You can find me on Facebook. If nobody contacts me like sharpish, then it will just go on my Ko-fi. We'll see if anybody would like to own this absolutely beautiful journal. I haven't embellished the back or the front heavily so that it can sit nicely on a bookshelf or flat without getting all, you know, ruined. So there you go. She's absolutely stunning. I'm really pleased with her. If you'd like to download the cutting guide, it's over on my Ko-fi. It's absolutely free. You just press 0.00 at checkout if it prompts you, or you can leave a donation. Anybody's free to use it. You can replicate it. You can make them and sell them. I don't mind what you do. If you like the tutorial and you use it for a class, I would ask that you kindly make a small donation on my Ko-fi. I think it's only fair if it's for classes that you get paid for. But, you know, there's no licence or anything like that, or you don't need to ask special permission or even give me any credit. Just, you know, it's a bit of an honesty box thing at the moment with my journals. I'm giving you all of the measurements, everything you need, and it's just a bit of a kind of an honesty box. If you take it for classes, you know, it's on you. So there you go. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you'll try it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to watch out for the tutorials. They will start. I think the first one will go up at the same time as this. Okay, or maybe half an hour after. I'm not sure. So keep an eye out for them. Follow along. Use the cutting guide and you can make one yourself. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.